Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Airtable to Voiceflow. First, we will prepare your Airtable base by ensuring it is ready for integration. Next, we will configure the API step within Voiceflow to fetch and send data. This easy method allows your conversational AI to access and utilize dynamic information, creating richer and more personalized user interactions. We will cover all the essential steps to get you started quickly. To begin, you will need an Airtable base. Either create a brand new one or choose an existing base that contains the data you wish to use. Make sure your table has appropriate fields, such as names, prices, or descriptions, that your Voiceflow agent will reference. Crucially, you will need to find your personal Airtable API key and the unique ID for your chosen base. These two pieces of information are vital for establishing the connection. Now, let's move to Voiceflow. Drag and drop an API step onto your canvas where you want to interact with Airtable. Configure this step by setting up a GET or POST request, depending on whether you are retrieving or sending data. Input your Airtable API key and base ID into the request headers or URL. Finally, map the data returned from Airtable to specific Voiceflow variables, allowing your agent to use this dynamic information in its responses. The final, crucial step is testing. Use the Voiceflow testing tool to simulate conversations and ensure your agent correctly fetches and utilizes data from Airtable. Pay close attention to edge cases and implement error handling to gracefully manage situations where data might be missing or incorrect. Remember to regularly review and update both your Airtable content and your Voiceflow project to maintain an optimal and dynamic conversational experience for your users.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.